Wait, forget one step already. Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. We need a paper. I have a yellow paper with me here. You can use any paper. My favorite color is yellow because it's very bright and nice. So let's get started. Take your A4 paper and fold it into half like this. Then open it. Then you can see this line in the middle. Then take this and do like a triangle shape. On the other side, do the same. It should look something like this. Then you take this and you fold it in half. On the other side, do the same thing. So your paper airplane should look something like this. And then you fold it up. Then you fold it half down. It should be on the line. On the other side, do the same thing. So your paper airplane is done. It should look something like this. It's done. Let's test it. Let's see how far can it go.